already learned about surface area of cube and cuboid. In today's video, we will see what is the volume of cube and cuboid. Cuboid is a solid shape and the solids occupy space, and the measure of this occupied space is called as volume of the object. So if the object is solid, then the space occupied by such an object is called as volume. On the other hand, if the object is hollow or the interior is empty, then it can be filled with air or some liquid that will take the shape of the container. So in such cases, the capacity of the container or the capacity of an object is called as volume. Now let's see how to find out volume of the cuboid. In cuboid, we know cuboid is a solid figure having 6 rectangular faces, and it has got 12 edges, 8 vertices. All the faces are rectangle in cuboid. It is a 3-dimensional figure. It has got length, breadth and height. Also we know that when you arrange rectangular sheets of paper, you will get this cuboid. Now the volume of this cuboid, is nothing but the measure of the space occupied by this cuboid. That is the area of the plane region occupied by each rectangle into the height will give you volume of cuboid. Or volume of the cuboid I can write as base area into height, and we know the base area is the base is of rectangle in shape. So area of rectangle into height, and area of rectangle is length into breadth. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So this is the formula for volume of cuboid. This length into breadth into height, and the volume is measured in centimeter cube or meter cube or in liters. So since it has got 3 dimension, length into breadth into height, volume is measured in centimeter cubes, meter cubes or liters. And the formula to find out volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Next is volume of cube. So volume of cube is again base area into height. So base area into height will give you volume of the cube, and we know that cube has got 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the faces of the cube are square, and length, breadth and height are same for the cube. So base area means base area of square. Base area square, if L is the side of the square, I can write base area as L square, and height is also same. In cube, length, breadth, height, everything are same. So L square into L, which is equal to L cube. So volume of cube is L cube, or side into side into side, or edge into edge into edge, or it is equal to L cube. So in the first question, we will be doing some of the examples regarding this volume of cube and cuboid. First question is, a matchbox measures 4 cm into 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm high. What will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? So length of the matchbox is 4 cm, breadth is 2.5 cm and height is 1.5 centimeter, and matchbox is in the shape of a cuboid. So volume of cuboid I had to find out. To find out, first I'll find out volume of one matchbox. Volume of one matchbox is same as volume of cuboid, and we know volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So after that we need to find out volume of 12 such box. So first we will find volume of one box, then we will multiply with 12 to get volume of 12 such boxes, which is equal to 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, and which is equal to 15 centimeter cube. The unit is centimeter cube. So this is the volume of one box. Now we need to find out volume of 12 such boxes. So volume of 12 such boxes means, with this we need to multiply 12, get our answer as 180 centimeter cube. So the second question, a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long. You can see a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long. So length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter and height is deep. Deep means height is 4.5 meter. So 6 we can write as 6, then 5 and the height is 4.5 meter. How many liters of water can it hold? So we need to find out volume of cuboid, and volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, which is equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5, and when you multiply this you will have 135 meter cube. But the question is, how many liters of water can it hold? And we know that 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. Therefore 135 meter cube means into 1000, which is equal to 1,35,000 liters of water it can hold. So the water tank can hold 1,35,000 liters of water. You have to keep this in your mind. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Now the third question is, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So first we will find out volume of that pit. So volume of cuboid, they have already given in the question, it is cuboidal pit. So volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So they have given length as 8 meter long. So length is 8. Then 6 meter broad, that means breadth is 6 meter and 3 meter deep. 3 meter deep means height is 3 meter. Now we will substitute this 8 into 6 into 3. So this much meter cube will be our volume of the cuboid. Now next, this question has got two parts. We need to find out the cost of digging a cuboidal pit at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So cost of digging will be, cost of digging is equal to, with this volume you need to multiply 30. So 30 into 8 into 6 into 3, which is equal to rupees 4,320. Next question. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid? In all these questions they were giving length, breadth and height, and we were asked to find out volume of the cuboid. In this question they have given the volume of the cuboid. We need to find out how high, that means height of the cuboid we need to find. So here they have given 10 meter long, so length is 10 meter, 8 meter wide, that means breadth is 8 meter, height we need to find out. I don't know the height. Now the volume of the cuboid they have already given as 380 cubic meters. So volume is equal to 380 cubic meters, meter cube they have given, and we are going to write volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, and in the place of volume we will substitute 380. Length is 10, breadth is 8 and height we will write as h only. So height is equal to 380 divided by 80, which is equal to 4.75 meter. So thank you for watching my video.